This tutorial deals with a roof shape that looks rather intimidating at first glance, but when you understand the tools that are available to you in the AppliCad toolset, you will see how simple it really is. We have a main roof with gables, a gable on a corner, and a low set veranda or porch that is cut away underneath. So let's now investigate how we achieve this result. I'll start off with a new job, and then I'll recover the outline that I've just used to create that, just to save a little time. So that's the perimeter that we digitized. I started at the bottom corner and went in a clockwise direction. Doesn't matter really where you start, so long as you can draw the outline without difficulty. And remember to close square or close straight to check your measurements at the end. We don't wish to change the outline. This will be hips and valleys. We'll have a pitch 612, that looks good, and an eave overhang 1.5 feet. Hit OK. Now this has gable ends at various places, so we select the option Define Vertical Plane, and those gable ends go in straight away. We hit Continue, and the roof shape is built. Now to achieve the area underneath, we simply use the Porch function, and the Porch function prompts us for a wall line to attach the veranda to. Now this is where it gets interesting. We need a line across the front, and there's no wall line to attach our porch to, so we have to add one. We can do that simply by going CAD, Insert, Line Free, and middle button snap the corner of the wall there, middle button snap the corner of the wall there. So faintly under there we have our new line to attach our porch to. We go to the porch or veranda function, select the first line. Remember to read the prompts with these functions. They tell you what to do. Once we finish selecting wall lines, we right click, and then it says locate the line, which side of this line we install the veranda. Now clearly we want the veranda on the outside, so left click somewhere outside the house, about there. Okay, so we now get a prompt which says this is the first point of our porch, and that's the last point of our porch. And that relates to the dimensions and the preparations that we're applying to our roof. The width, 14 feet, that'll work for me. The height at the wall, click this button, it alternates between height of gutter and height at wall. So we want this to be, let's say, about 11 foot, which will make it even 10. Make it below the eave line of the existing structure. By default, it picks the number which is the height of the line you selected, and that was 12 feet. Start preparation, we'll gable each end, slope 212, that'll work for me, but I also want it to come back from that corner by 3 feet, so distance from first point will be 3. We then select preview, and the porch is drawn. So now we need to cut out the material from underneath, so we go to our modify roof, more, and digitize the outline, and we're going to select the planes to cut, and we're going to delete the internal pieces. We hit OK, and because we're digitizing, it wants to know if we constrain the lines. It doesn't matter because I'll be snapping. We hit OK, and then we middle button snap the corner of the underlying wall, and then close straight, and then OK to that, and now we select the planes to cut. So we select all the porch planes that we wish to cut, and there is our model. Turn that around a small bit so we can see what we're looking at, and there it is. Bravo. Spacebar to stop, repaint, and render hidden lines view. Beautiful. That's exactly what we need. If the gable end planes are offensive to you, just select them, and they will be deleted. Doesn't matter if you do or you don't. Okay, so there's our job, just a few minutes work, and what looked like a rather intimidating roof shape in fact was simple at the end. See you on the website.